How can you tell if your solar panels are functioning properly? Did you know it's as easy as checking for the output of power? But how do you check for the output of power, you ask? By using a multimeter. Hi, my name is Shahed Kamal, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. In the next few minutes, I will show you how you can check for the output of solar power to get optimal performance from your solar panels. You have just had solar panels installed on your rooftop. After purchasing any expensive item, and in this case solar panels, you want to make sure your device is functioning not only properly, but is also giving you the biggest bang for your buck. With any device, you don't just keep using it without checking to make sure how it's working. The same is true for solar panels. You need to verify that everything is working as it should by knowing how much energy is being outputted from your solar panels. That can be accomplished by using a multimeter. But what's a multimeter? Multimeters are handy, inexpensive digital readers that checks the power output from your solar panels. It's generally used for electrical power testing to see how much power is being generated. In regards to solar panels, it aids in verifying its productivity. Think of it as a battery checker for your solar panels that checks for power outputs. It's as easy to use as checking for the power on battery outputs. You can purchase digital multimeters in any electronic stores for an average cost of $10. Costs do range upwards of $100 or so depending on the model, but lower cost multimeters generally work just as well as higher priced models. Once you have purchased a multimeter, connect it to your solar panels to get the readings. Match those readings with the energy readings listed on your solar panel. By checking the energy outputted from your solar panels, you will be better informed on how well your solar panels are performing. Using a multimeter will help determine if you are receiving an optimal return on your investment with solar power. If you are interested in saving the planet and taking control of your energy future, visit SolarInstallGuru.com and make an appointment for a free solar energy audit today, valued at about $500. You will also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to SolarInstallGuru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook, a $40 value for just visiting the site, which covers in-depth on how you can save money and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses, which covers various topics related but not limited to solar system installation with little or no out-of-pocket cost. I would like you to join us in our conversations on Twitter